Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a double chocolate coffee cake. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then to make the crumb topping, in a medium bowl, add in the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined. Then add in the cold cubed butter and use your fingers to rub it into the flour mixture until it's combined and you have pea-sized chunks of butter. And set it aside for now. Then in a small heat-proof bowl, add in the chocolate chips and heat them either in the microwave or over a double boiler until they're melted. And set it aside and let it cool to room temperature. Then in a large bowl, add in the softened butter and sugar, and beat them with an electric mixer on a medium-low speed for 5 minutes. Don't beat it on a higher speed because you can incorporate more air beating it on a medium-low speed. And add in the room temperature eggs one at a time, beating well after adding each one. Then add in the melted chocolate that we had from earlier. Again, make sure it's at room temperature before you add it in. And mix it in until it's combined. Then in a separate small bowl, add in the flour, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined. Then alternate adding the dry ingredients and buttermilk into the rest of the mixture. Start by adding 1/3 of the dry ingredients. Mix it with the electric mixer on low speed until almost combined but not fully incorporated. And add in about half of the buttermilk. Mix it in on low speed until almost combined. And add in another 1/3 of the dry ingredients. Mix it in until it's almost combined. Add in the rest of the buttermilk. Mix it in until it's almost combined. And then the rest of the dry ingredients. And mix it in by hand until it's just combined. Don't overmix the batter. Then add in the mini chocolate chips and fold them into the batter until they're just mixed in. Grease a 9 by 13 inch baking pan with nonstick cooking spray and pour the batter into the pan. Spread it out until it's even, and sprinkle the crumb topping over the top, and bake it in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. And once it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool completely, or you can serve it while it's still warm if you like. And that's how to make a double chocolate coffee cake. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.